Looking for your next investment or owner-occupied opportunity? Then don't miss our open house at 29 Esmond Street in Boston's Grove Hall neighborhood. This legal four-family property offers over 5,000 square feet of living space, including 4 legal units, a renovated 3-bedroom apartment, and a vacant owner's unit, giving you the flexibility to move in or lease it immediately. The property also features a 2-car garage, 3 additional off-street parking spaces, and strong rental income potential of approximately $10,650 per month. Join us for the first public showings on Saturday, July 11th from 12 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. and Sunday, July 12th from 12 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Whether you're an investor looking for value-add potential or a buyer seeking a property that generates income while you live in one unit, this is an opportunity you won't want to miss. We look forward to seeing you at 29 Esmond Street, Boston.